Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and fun. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk to ensure they are evenly distributed. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, and melted butter or oil. Then pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can make them tough. It's time to cook. Heat a griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a small amount of butter or oil to prevent sticking. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Once your pancakes are golden brown, serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Maple syrup is a classic choice, but fresh berries, whipped cream, or even chocolate chips are wonderful too. Get creative and make each stack unique. And for those who love to relax with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals in the description below. We hope you have a fantastic time making and eating your delicious pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.